Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with simplertrading.com, and in tonight's free video I wanted to bring you a concept that we have worked on in these previous free videos, but this is a good time to step back and review it because some of them have begun their move and there are others that I think we're just getting started. So I'm going to begin with the iShares Home Construction ETF, ITB, and I want to begin by noting, that when you come in here and it's like, hey, I've got an idea, buy a brand new high. I can understand how that may not be appealing, and I want to make note that if we're looking at these previous major swing highs and swing lows, well, then we are at some pivotal extensions. So this could come in, and the day that you're viewing this video may not be the perfect opportunity to buy it. What I want to bring your attention to is this 3-day squeeze. It's the idea, and even if you were to look at it without the squeeze, it's the idea of looking at this as being a range. It's a range that was preceded by a very bullish trend. So the idea would be that you look for the expansion of the range to continue in the direction of trend, and then in time work its way up into these other major extensions. So I really like the volume that we saw coming in on this one yesterday, and I think it will be a good pick. I'm going to give you a window of, let's just call it the entire year, and then when we get into the year-end review, we'll come back and see how it did. But I think that's a great place to focus your efforts. And then if you're going to buy the ETF, then you can drill down into the individual products, and you'll see how Home Depot has a very similar stance. So very nice bullish trend with the rebound off of 130, runs up into 300, spends the better part of since August consolidating. Well, once we can get up out of that range, I think you're looking at a target up into 300, and I think that this may be a name to look for a run into earnings as well. So now that we've looked at that kind of one place to allocate some risk, let's move over into tech, and this is just the same signal, but obviously a different type of name here with NVIDIA. So draw it however you see fit, but the same basic concept where you have a very strong bullish trend that then leads into consolidation, is accompanied by, in this case, a high compression 3-day squeeze. If and when NVIDIA finally resolves this pattern and you get the break above these highs, well, then you'll be moving into some pretty significant extensions, and I think seeing NVIDIA into 620 and 650 is not far-fetched. So I hope that's helpful, gives you some signals to consider, and we'll recap those in a future free video.